Hey, Savy again. Okay, so I know that I already tried Vial on my lips, but I can't exactly do a comparison between Lipsense and Vial on the same day because, you know, it'll get all mixed up and it'll be a problem. So I did some swatches on my hand. This one is Vial, Love the Wine You're With, and this one is Lipsense Persimmon, which is my favorite color. And so they're both about the same size. I did mess up a little bit, so that's just going to be there. But yeah, so these are the two, and obviously the colors aren't the same, but I'm going to be doing a few tests to just kind of test the staying power of both of them. First off, we have a white tissue. I'm just going to rub them. Okay, so that one is Vial, that one is Lipsense. You see the difference yet? Because I do. So Vial still stayed, and it's making me think that it's a lip stain because I used my finger to put it on my hand and it like stained my finger. So I guess the color stays in that way. But it rubs off on everything. So I guess it depends on what you're looking for. If you just want to stain your lips, you could get the Vial and then rub it all off, and then you'd have a nice lip stain that you could put some lip gloss over. But I wouldn't call it long-lasting lipstick just because it's not, because if you use it as a lipstick, it comes off. The color stays as a lip stain. So I still have it here, the Stop Blushing, and I put some lip gloss over it, and it's a little bit thinner of a color just because it all wiped off. But yeah, right here you can see that the color stayed a little bit, but it's definitely thinner because before it was a vibrant dark red. And now it's just kind of a light maroon pink. So yeah, and I'm going to run them under water right now. So my hand's wet. I'm going to just rub them. Yeah, and then wipe them off. So Vial is even more faded. But yeah, if you want to use it as a lip stain, that's cool. If you want a lipstick, I would definitely recommend Lipsense, just because it chemically bonds with your lip or your skin, and it stays there until you use the remover, and as you can see, it doesn't smudge at all, which is amazing. Vial smudges just a little bit, and it does come off around the edges, but again, if you just want a lip stain, this is great, especially because it does come in a lot of really great colors, but as you can see, it does fade fast, and it doesn't stay as an actual lipstick. So that's just my take on the subject. You guys can always try it on your own, but yeah, so if you want a lip stain, go for Vial. If you want a lipstick, I'm going to stick with Lipsense. Bye!